Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Gosford on the Central Coast and Newcastle line. Coincidentally, as a fun fact, I was born at nearby Gosford Hospital way back in 1983. I'm only here for like half an hour in real-time terms. I'll try and get as many trains as I can in a space of half an hour in real time. Just over there, the platform extension's ready for the forthcoming new intercity trains that will be unfortunately be replacing the fee sets. So I might give you guys a quick pan of Gosford. We should have a central limited stop service during very soon. That's looking north towards Wyong and Newcastle. And looking south towards Sydney. Anyway viewers, Paul's Train Vlogs has passed a few milestones overnight, thanks in courtesy to my appearance on Employable Me. Really appreciated. As prior to Employable Me went to air, I had 928 subscribers, and overnight I just gained 500 plus subscribers in a flash. So we should have an Oscar arriving, will be a 4-car set. And our 4-car Oscar is now departing platform number 1 for a central service, stopping at Point Clare, then all stations to Berowra, followed by Hornsby, Epping, Strathfield, and central set is H21. We have H14 arriving on platform number 2 for a Newcastle interchange service. Should be stopping at Nuara and then all stations to Newcastle interchange. H14 is a set. God, I have all of those brakes. And we should have 3 BM4 coming to a stop on platform number 1, waiting for a signal to clear. The leading loco is NR85 in the Southern Spirit livery. NR16. NR66 is the third loco. We should have 3 MB9 passing platform number 2, leading Loco SCT 012. Talking about very bad wheel squeal. Anyway, viewers, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.